Alright, so we got this thing today. This thing's actually called the lyre harp. I can't lie, man, I was just scrolling through Thomman and I just thought I'd just try and find some like super random instrument. And yeah, this was something that popped up, caught my eye straight away, so I thought, yeah, let me go for it, man. £50, £60, maybe £70, I can't remember. One of those. But yeah, I thought I'd just go for it. Apparently this thing dates back like thousands of years. Ancient Greek philosophers pondering the mysteries of the universe while mellifluous tones of the lyre filled the air. Greek philosophers. Fuck, I didn't realize how old this thing was. But yeah, man, these things come in a ton of different shapes and sizes, different tones, everything. Honestly, man, I don't even know what I'm doing with this thing. I don't know what I was looking for. I just saw that it looked cool. It sounded cool on YouTube videos. Yeah, this was definitely a better alternative to getting a full-size harp. I mean, I've got a bit of space here, but I don't think it's big enough.
That's what she said.
But yeah, man, I like to make trap beats, especially like melodic, ethnic, wavy trap beats. And yeah, I thought this would be a sick idea to try and make a beat out of, you know, try and get a nice melody and then flip it into a trap beat. Let's see what we can do with it. First, let me actually find out how to play this thing.
To be happy, stay, and say this is the same thing.
Get this thing tuned. I think I'll just put it to like A minor. Too far.
2 hours later.
Finally. Alright, let's see if we can actually make something with this then. It's probably going to be a lot harder than I think it's going to be, but we move. We're going to have to like splice this up like crazy, I think. Got some chords, got some like passing notes between the chords. It's not kind of sounding like ethnic-y, but ooh, there we go. I fixed it. Well, that's quite cool. Constant melody. Alright, we've got our melody, I think. This is what we got so far. It's going to need some sprucing up. Let's add some EQ. Let's go to any harsh frequencies. We'll add some compression too. Yeah, it's going to even out. We will add some pitch shifter, I think. Just shift this whole melody down a little bit. I can't lie, it's still sounding kind of tinny. I'm not going to be the best lyre harp player, so maybe patch this up a little bit. Press some reverb. Pitch up again, and then maybe just a bit of delay. Yeah, that's kind of clean. On the swipe one, I think we're gonna put that onto a different track. Add some pancake to it. Could even add some chorus to that ensemble. Woo! That's hard. Alright, let's bounce all of this. Still sounds a bit tinny. I think it's because it's such a small harp. I think it needs like messing around with a little bit more. So we're gonna bounce this and we can like give it some extra textures and then even add some extra elements melodically. So first of all, turn this to stretch. Let's speed this thing up to like 1:19. Pitch up like 5 semitones. Add some halftime to it. Let me speed up even more. Pitch it up some more. Yeah, that sounds kind of vibey, man. I think it just needs just some simple piano chords. We'll just use a soft piano. Yeah, something simple like that. And then definitely some flute. And let's add some textures, man. Let's give this thing some life. Cool little trick that I've just learned recently, actually, is to just like literally copy and paste some chords. So like, let's say you've got your piano chords. If I just pull in a quick texture, this playground texture sounds kind of cool. Just turn the LFO so we've got it under control. Copy and paste the MIDI from the labs, the piano, into the texture. Just adds that, yeah, adds that kind of vibe to it. Some nice bass. Yeah, a little dissonant there, right there. That's hard, that bass, man. Man, I brought this VST in earlier actually, and it sounded kind of sick by accident. Yeah, it's like an organ, I think. Put in like a crazy chord on the end of each bar, maybe. And then we can like just go ring. Yep. Clone it, and we just do the exact same thing. Different preset though. Bring it across though. Run these into some kind of effects. I've got a sick idea. We're gonna add some effect tricks and then just use this vinyl. Pan it too. Yeah, like that. Some of that ensemble on there. And then some reverb. Alright, real quick, just while we're cooking up with this lyre, I'm working on a new video course. It's going to be a course 100% dedicated to mixing your beats. I get a bunch of questions in most videos from you guys just asking how I get my beats to kind of hit hard, but like still sound clean, still sound nice and full. And I can't lie, man, it's not something I could just quickly reply in a comment and just explain everything. Until I started making this course, I didn't realize how many layers went into it. So yeah, I've broke down everything in this new video course. It's not ready just yet, but I thought I'd just give you guys a heads up that it's on the way. It's a 6-step mixing course, super in-depth, and it breaks down exactly how to get your beats sounding clean every single time consistently, and how to do it really quickly as well. There's going to be a whole bunch of extras in there, a whole bunch of bonuses. So yeah, I can't wait to share this one with you, man. But yeah, let's get back to the video. And just a little sprinkle on top. It's quite hard. Yeah, let's go with that. Yeah, man, I think we're ready for some drums. Let's start this off by pitching it down 2 semitones. Could even speed this whole thing up as well. Yeah, I think we just go simple with these drums, man. We've gone kind of crazy with the rest of it, so let's keep it open. Stack a little hi-hat on it. Open hats. Let's get another one in there. Boom, 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 boom. I told the bitch she want boom, she wanna. I told the bitch she want. I wanna bang, nice. I told the bitch. Let's get a thumpy kick. Aha, that hits, man. Boost it a bit. That actually turned out pretty hard, man. I'm kind of surprised. But you guys let me know what you think. I can include this in future videos, or I can just get some other random instruments and try and use those for a beat as well. But yeah, that's going to be all for today, man. If you're a sick producer, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, that's going to be all from me, guys. Peace.